Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. So in this video I will be showing you how to dual boot iOS 6 to iOS 7. So as you know, recently I have downgraded my phone to iOS 6.1.3, but the main problem is that you can't use store in this phone. So I just relying on my CDF store and downloading some apps, Instagram, Spotify and other things. So these things are working, but the main store doesn't work, like the Apple Store doesn't work. So I was looking for dual boot the iOS 6.1.3 to iOS 7 or something else, but the Coolbooter doesn't work on iOS 6.1.3. If you go to download the Coolbooter here, it will not work because it requires iOS 7. So but now if you want to keep your iOS 6.1.3 as a host device and want to dual boot to iOS 7, then you have to do something else. So the complete tutorial I will upload soon, but now I'm showing you just how it's working in my phone. So I downloaded Coolbootercli, that one, and but you will not find any application here. You have to use command line to boot into your iOS 7. So let me show you how I am doing it. I'm going to my phone and I see you, and the password will be Alpine as the host. Alpine done. Then you have to know the command to boot. So the command will be the Coolbooter SLI. So I'm going to boot into this partition B. So just type B and CLI B return, and then lock the device, and now you will see it will boot directly into iOS 7. As you can see from the logo, it's iOS 7 logo. So I don't know the installation process will be done without computer or not, so I will try that one too. I will try to do it without computer. So now I used my computer to install this iOS 7 firmware here. So my 6.1.3 is a host device for this iOS 7, and also I don't know I can repartition it to 8GB or 16GB or not, so I will try that one too. So I need some time. As you can see, now it's running iOS 7. So my main device is iOS 6 and I boot it to iOS 7. You can see, as you can see, the storage is very less, so I'm thinking to repartition my drive, but I don't know how to do that, so I will try that too. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you next time.